OnPassive will replace insanity with sanity on the internet. For many decades, people have been searching for ways to improve their lot in life. It has proven to be a fruitless search. The internet has been called the place where people go to have their dreams and hopes die. Those looking to improve their financial status are being sent in all directions by companies claiming that they can help them. People are being purposely deceived by companies only interested in their bottom line, how much they can make for the owners, stockholders, friends and family members of those companies. While desperately looking for a way out of the problems, they are given inferior and overpriced and outdated products to work out their problems. There are mass insanity and confusion causing lives to be turned upside down. Relationships are suffering. People are being made to jump through hoops to try to figure out a way out of this insanity. Then a person who had been remarkably successful on the internet and the top producer in those companies of which he, in essence, worked to make them successful was not the owner of any of those companies. But there was something inside of him that was not complete. Something was missing. The something missing was having the means to have others duplicate his success. This pained him greatly. He looked at how people were being treated by companies on the internet whose sole purpose was to make as much money as possible. Those companies had business models built on their profit motive, not the help people motive. This man who has surveyed the damage and the insanity said that he has had enough. The man about whom I am talking is Mr. Mufareh. Mr. Mufareh is a man with a heart of gold. For many years Mr. Mufareh has carried in his heart and mind the vision of helping people get away from the insanity of conducting business on the internet. That vision has led to Prize invention. OnPassive. OnPassive is the first and only total internet solution platform designed to be user-friendly. OnPassive is a state-of-the-art digital mega corporation housing every digital and AI-driven and machine learning product under one roof. OnPassive is replacing insanity with sanity on the internet. OnPassive is the company whose time has arrived. Thanks to the genius visionary Mr. Mufareh and his family and staff and the extraordinary founders in OnPassive who caught the vision. OnPassive is ready, willing, and able to deliver. John White, USA. A Bill Must production.